In the heart of the north, where rugged landscapes kiss the sky and crystalline rivers dance through emerald valleys, Norway beckons with a siren's call, an irresistible invitation to explore its unparalleled wonders. A land where nature's grandeur is surpassed only by the warmth of its people. Norway is a haven for dreamers and adventurers alike. Venture into the realm of fjords, where colossal cliffs plunge into azure waters, and each curve of the coast unravels a new tale of geological artistry. The fjords, nature's own masterpieces, whisper stories of millennia etched into their rugged contours. Norway is renowned for its majestic landscapes that leave visitors in awe. The country boasts a myriad of other natural wonders, including towering mountains, deep cascading waterfalls, and lush forests. One of the most breathtaking sights is the Garange Fjord, characterized by towering cliffs carpeted with vegetation and several waterfalls. Another must-visit location is the Voringsfossen waterfall. Situated in the heart of Mobidalen Valley, surrounded by jagged limestone cliffs and lush green forests, Voringsfossen is guaranteed to be one of the most majestic sights you'll visit in Norway. But Norway's allure extends far beyond its iconic fjords. Deep in the heart of the country, ancient forests stand as sentinels, inviting you to step into their mossy embrace. In the realm of these enchanted woods, encounter the elusive elk, the whimsical reindeer, and the cunning fox, all part of a tapestry of wildlife harmoniously coexisting with humans. In the land of the midnight sun, witness the ethereal dance of the northern lights, a celestial spectacle that paints the night sky with colors that defy imagination. Surrender to the mystique of the aurora borealis as it weaves its tapestry of wonder above. As you follow meandering rivers through lush valleys, discover waterfalls that plummet with such force and grace that they seem plucked from the pages of a fantasy novel. Stand in awe before the towering majesty of the Voringsfossen, where torrents of frothy water plunge into a deep charm. But Norway is not just a canvas of natural splendor. It's a tapestry woven with threads of culture and history. The resilience and warmth of its people, the Sami and Norwegians alike, provide the heartbeat of this nation. Immerse yourself in their traditions. From the mesmerizing Joic songs of the Sami to the rich storytelling of the Norwegian sagas. Norwegian culture is deeply rooted in a profound love for nature and the outdoors. Norwegians spend their leisure time exploring the mountains, fjords, and coastal areas. The concept of friluftsliv, or outdoor lifestyle, is ingrained in their daily lives. This love for nature extends to activities such as hiking, skiing, and cabin trips. The country's vibrant celebrations, such as its National Day, showcase the cherished skiing lifestyle and profound love for nature. In Norway, adventure calls with every gust of wind and rustle of leaves. Kayak along mirror-like fjords, hike to remote mountain cabins, or traverse glaciers that defy comprehension. Every corner of this land is an open invitation to explore the untouched and unveil the extraordinary. Whether you are a seeker of solitude, an adrenaline junkie, or simply a lover of life's finest moments, Norway will beckon to you, whispering the promise of unforgettable experiences. From the tranquil beauty of its valleys to the awe-inspiring grandeur of its glaciers, Norway is a masterpiece that ignites the soul and leaves an indelible mark on the heart. Come, be captivated by Norway's unending wonders, and let the magic of this land inspire you to embark on your own extraordinary journey. Norway, a land where nature and culture harmonize in a symphony of enchantment, awaits those with the spirit of adventure and the heart of a dreamer.